Welcome to another vertical attitude video. This time I'm looking at a wheel clamp that I shall be fitting to my motorhome. I bought this particular one because it's insurance recommended. Apex Wheel Clamp. That's the model number there, SH5456. This fits wheels from 15 to 18 inches. I could have got the smaller version which goes up to 15 inches, but I was a bit worried about the tyre width there. My tyre widths are 215, this is 230 on here, and also I've got a hubcap cover on there. Hopefully this will go on without me having to take the cover off all the time. Obviously with these type of clamps, any clamp, a good angle grinder will be able to cut through and get them off, but it will make a lot of noise. So I've got this. I've also got a steering wheel lock which also can be cut through, but the vehicle steering wheel lock as well, and I've also got a Patriot lock on the seat. I've got captain seats, so I just turn them round and lock them in position, sort of rear facing if you like. And then I have my alarms. I have a driveway or garage or shed alarm. I put that in the kitchen area, and the infrared beams cover all the habitation and all the front of the vehicle, so that goes off if you step inside. I've also got a small alarm on the habitation door. Get those from the range, the battery operated. Just stick them on, magnetic style. As soon as the magnet moves away from the alarm goes off. So open the door and bingo, the alarm's gone off. I also have another alarm which I tend to use when I'm at home with the vehicle on the driveway. It's called a dog alarm, and it does actually sound like a dog. I put it near the habitation door, and it goes off, it growls and it barks. But also you can set it to alarm or siren, whatever. But that works on batteries or mains power. But it does quite a good job. Quite surprised at the sound effect that it gives off. It does like a sound that's like a dog in the vehicle. So got those. So we're going to fit this, and hopefully won't have too much trouble. I believe you just have to get this into the correct position, and once that's done, it's bolted into position, and you then put these in and the cover on top and lock it down. Okay, I'm going to unbox this. I mean, there's not a lot to it, but I'll unbox it just to show you, and then we'll get on with putting it on the vehicle. And like I said, visual deterrent, nice and yellow, bold in place on the vehicle. You know, hopefully it's saying don't come and nick me. So we'll give it a go. So here we are. Oh, it's quite a heavy one. If you're going to carry this around in the motor vehicle, motorhome, I'd consider the weight. Okay, and we have instructions. Quite solid. And that's the top one. That's the fixing that you have to fit in. I'm guessing that's a lock. Yeah. So we've got a nice. And that will slide out. Yeah. So we've got a nice pad. So, like I said, I've got wheel covers, so that should hopefully stop them scratching. That's the other side of the vehicle. The side of the plate. This has got to be the lock, surely. Oh, here we go, dropped it on the floor. Yep, so we've got 3 keys, I think. Oh, have to get in. Yep, 3 keys, that's good. One for me, one for the wife, and one spare. Okay. So it looks like it's got some pins on there. I presume. Turn that in. Oh yeah. That's the release. And that locks, yeah. Okay. Not sure about that bit. Oh, it says spare. So that's a spare. Yeah. Be a spare one to go on there, yeah. Well, that's good, yeah, yeah. So we've got the instructions. Yeah. There is also videos from the company in how to fit it. So we'll get all the bits together. Probably just keep these in the box, and then presuming that goes through there like that. Well, yeah, I'm guessing that that obviously goes in there, and once you've got your arms on, obviously that go in there, lock it, yeah, and that's how that works. Probably not the best of locks with the bearings, you know, but then again, I don't think you're going to get in very well to force it off. Like I said, you can get them off, make a lot of noise with the portable angle grinder. Then, you know, we need more than just this to secure our vehicles. So we'll go outside and attempt to put it on the wheel. Here we are at the wheel. So the first thing we need to do is put this middle section on. Get the screw out. We get this plate. Choose your position. I think there's enough room to leave the cover on, but make sure this covers your wheel nuts. And then you need to fit one of these. I think go like that. You can see a little bit awkward. Got it. This is my first attempt at fitting this, so you need it central. See if we get any better with the next one. That's the neck. There we go. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Yep, good and solid. Let's put this plate on. Yep, that's gone down. I put the lock on. Yep, I think we've done the business. Looking good. Okay. Maybe I could have it a little bit lower, but I think that'll do the job for now. Hope you enjoyed the video and it was helpful. Thank you for watching.